Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add light in Blender. So let's start. Now you have to click the Shift plus A and just look for light. There are numerous options here, but you can just select the one that you would like. For me, I will select the point one. Just click on the point. Now if you selected that, you have to click the light, which is this at the center. If you click that, there will be a green light bulb icon on the right side. And then if you didn't click that, that option will not appear. So you have to click that light. And there are numerous options here that you want, which is the point, the sun, so on and so forth. You can change the color, the shape, and more. It depends on how you want to customize the light. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.